Hey everybody, in my last video I mentioned that I had a surprise for the plow truck, and you can't see it because of the glare, but I can fix that. But I'm running a supercharged Mustang 5.0 in the plow truck, and yeah, I'm keeping it plow. So anyway, kind of the focus of this video today is I'm not running the PCM, as you can kind of tell. And that presents a problem because that's still fuel injected. So what I'm doing is running a Holley Terminator X, basically to control that. It's a much more power adder friendly computer. So anyway, what's the issue I'm dealing with today? Well, this here is some of the outputs, and this green one is the one that triggers your fuel pump relay. So in the midst of all that, I ripped out all the wiring. And obviously I don't have relays in here for the factory fuel pump or EEC. So doing a whole bunch of reading, I found that this wire needs to take power. Well, this wire sends power into this bulkhead connector, into the inertia switch, which is already bypassed, and then up into the selector switch. And then from the selector switch it comes out and goes into this brown plug and down to the pump. No matter what I did, no matter how much I sent power through this, I could not get this to work. I could power the pumps no matter anywhere in this system through this red wire right there at the end of my finger and this brown wire. That really does me no good because I don't want to have to do some sort of fancy aftermarket complex wiring system that's just going to be a pain. So I was scratching my head and talking to a lot of people, and they were all fantastic help. So I want to give a quick shout out to everybody that helped. But what it really boils down to is this little darn wire right here. That little devil will give you a hard time if you're doing this. So I don't know which number that is. I can look it up for anybody that's interested, but it's like a tan wire with an orange tracer. You need to ground this wire. The reason I didn't find that right away is because it appears to be tied in nowhere with the fuel system. So that's what you need to do. So I also got to say, power probe, if you don't have one and you're doing any kind of electrical work, you got to get you one. Yeah, I'll make a video in the end, basically, I think, once this truck's done, on why I did this, and kind of what needed to be done to make a Mustang engine work, for anybody that's interested in just the Mustang engine, and then some of the stuff I had to go through specifically because my system is different because of the supercharger, things like that. So anybody that wants to learn about that, just take a minute and hit that like button. Let me know what you want to know. And again, this is all, like, you could do aftermarket stuff. I'm trying to get this kit to work with the factory dash, the factory selector switch for the tank, so you can see all the wiring that got pulled out. This is actually a separate harness I've been using to kind of trace where wires go inside, so I didn't have to rip this one out. But all I really wanted was this to work, and I figured it out. So again, thanks for anybody that gave me a hand. Really appreciate it. We're going to go ahead and throw this on, and I want to apologize quick in case this video turns out kind of crappy. The audio probably won't be great. I'm using my phone to film this because my GoPro's dead. I'm not even going to edit this. It's just going right on. So catch you guys on the next one.